Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to have a look at Alphabet because they might be buying FitBit, and that might be a good chance to get some fractional shares in Alphabet or Google, which, is doing fairly well for themselves. Currently, they do a lot of advertising. They have YouTube, they have Google, they used to have Google Plus. Whatever happened to that? Current market price is $1,262.62, which gives them a market cap of $875 billion. Not quite at the trillion right now, but, certainly being very close and staying there. Dividend is still zero, which, they could be doing something with all that money that they have. Revenue is $137 billion, which is up 20%, and earnings is up $31 billion, which is up 150%, but only from the previous year. The year before that, it was not higher than 31, but certainly higher than the 12 that they had. So current PE is 27, which is definitely not terrible, and I think that's actually reasonable for a company of this magnitude and safety. So total assets $233 billion, which is up slightly. Total liabilities $55 billion, which is up significantly. And total stockholders' equity of $178 billion. So to sum that all up, certainly growing at a reasonable pace for a company that big, 20% is certainly not too bad. And they have... the trailing 12 month is 148 billion rather than the 136 point something that they have right now. So they continue to grow at a reasonable pace, and so I think that even for a growth investor, that might be a stock to look into. Dividend investors are obviously out, but value investors, I think, should do some research and look into Google because obviously the company is here to stay. Obviously, YouTube is not going away. Google is not going away. And their whole ad business that is on basically every site on the internet is also not going away. So I think that the PE is reasonable, even for a company that doesn't pay dividend, because the market cap is enormous and they're not going away. So if you're looking for a safe company in this day and age, I don't think you can do any better than Google or Alphabet, which is the parent company. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.